Alright guys, we're going to do the cold start here on the Boxster. I have the upper engine cover off and the front engine cover off, so after we do the cold start, we're going to go inside and just kind of show everything off. This is about a 36-hour cold start. I finished the dash swap yesterday morning, drove it just to make sure everything worked, and then parked it back right where she is. And some guys say, man, why do you... I've had people ask me, like, taking the covers off, like, why do you go through that much trouble? I would counteract that question with say, why doesn't everybody go through this much trouble? I mean, one of the reasons we buy a 986 or a 987 is so you can get to the motor. So the only reason I could see not doing this in a bring a trailer or cars and bids setting is if you didn't know how to do it, which is possible, or if you're like older and you couldn't kind of contort yourself. But anyway, I do it on every one I sell, so here we go. So pretty much a perfect cold start, no noise, no smoke, nothing crazy. We're gonna let it idle for a few minutes, then we'll go inside. Oh, sorry for the finger there. I'm going to turn the radio off. There we go. So it is hard to tell from your vantage. The water pump looks relatively new. Definitely a recent replacement. And as you can tell, we don't have any, there's no funny noises or squeaks. We can demonstrate the AC operation, compressor off, compressor on. So I did not clean this engine. It's a lot cleaner than most 986s I see, which tells me there was a certain level of pride of ownership involved. So there's the idle down. The cold start procedure is just finished. I'm going to see if I can reach my hand down and give it a little gas here while keeping the camera on the front of the motor here. Yep, I can reach it. All right, here we go. Alrighty guys, let me know if you have any questions about this. I did have one guy ask me about this, the body weld or seam right here. That is 100% normal. Everyone I've ever had has this right here. That's completely standard. And then you see the body welds or whatever you want to call them down there at the bottom, the seams. All right, folks, we're gonna wrap this video. If you got any other questions, by all means, please let me know. Thank you.